guys, thanks for visiting my channel. Today I just have a quick tip for you. It's a laundry tip and it's for stinky, funky towels. I don't know about you, but eventually my towels get stinky and funky, especially the ones I use in the kitchen. So my tip for that, and I've been doing this for a long time and it works wonderfully, is using baking soda and vinegar, but not together. I've heard that you shouldn't use them together because it makes a chemical reaction. I have not tested it, and that's just not some place I want to go because I have an expensive washer and I wouldn't want to do anything to ruin it. So I run two separate washes. So in the first wash, I just use 1 cup of baking soda and I just go ahead and I put it in my washing machine with my towels. And then I'm gonna wash my towels on really hot water. I'm just gonna do a quick wash though, but I'm gonna make sure that it is on hot water. And I'm going to do a quick wash first. And then once that's done, when we come back a second time, I'm going to do another wash and use a cup of vinegar. But like I said, don't put them together because they cause a chemical reaction and it could do something to your washing machine. So, but it works beautifully for getting the stink out of your towels. Okay, step 2 is the vinegar, and I'm going to use a cup of vinegar. You can put this in your rinse dispenser. That's the word I'm looking for. Your fabric softener dispenser, but mine doesn't hold that much and I want to use a full cup. So again, I'm just going to open my washing machine, I'm going to pour it in, and then I'm going to do last time I did a quick wash on hot water. This time I'm just going to do a normal wash on hot water and let it go. The trick to this is you don't want to use any fabric softener and no laundry detergent. So I'm going to let that go, and then when we come back I'm going to dry them and show you how great they smell. I did want to mention that you can get both the baking soda and the vinegar in these large sizes at Costco. So if you're a Costco member, that's a great place to purchase both products and save a little money. Okay guys, my towels are all done. They feel clean, they're nice and fluffy, they're soft, and they smell great. Smell nice and fresh, no more funky smell. You can kind of think of it as, you know how we use detoxing shampoo or clarifying shampoo for our hair to get rid of all the residue? Well, you can kind of think of this combo as clarifying shampoo for your towels. So I hope you'll give it a try. It's a great trick, works every time. You don't have to do it very often, usually 3 times a year or so. I'll have to detoxify my towels, but it works great. So I hope you'll give it a try. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.